Hello, it's Family Driver. Welcome to another video. Today I will be sorting something I didn't like from the very beginning since I bought this car, and I'm talking about these little grills here. I think with this blue and all the black accents on the car, it really is appropriate to change them to gloss black. I know they are available also in carbon fiber. However, I don't intend to put much carbon fiber on this car. I think gloss black is probably more suitable for this color, and that's what I'm going to do. So I managed to purchase a pair of these grills in black. So there are two ways to deal with this problem. You can either go easy way and just pull this. As you can see, this part comes off pretty easily. You can actually pull it with your fingernails and it will come off, and you just replace it with the black one. Job done. However, as you can see, what happened to this grill is whenever the car was waxed before, this part wasn't really protected, so the plastic isn't really black anymore. It's all stained, it's all dirty, and I want to replace the whole thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to warm it up with a hair dryer, because unfortunately I don't have heat gun, and then I'm going to pull it out to break the sticky material behind it, and then I'm going to replace it with the brand new ones which I've got, which have the double-sided tape as well for the easy fitting. So let's move on to that part now. And here we go. That's the old piece, and as you can see, I managed to get most of the tape off with it. So now we will clean the space, and then we will replace it with a brand new black badge. So it's done, and I think it looks fantastic. It looks much better from the silver ones, especially with the black mirrors and the black accents on the wheels. The next thing obviously for me, it will be to change the front grille, which I will attempt to do probably next week once it's get slightly warmer, so the bumper will be a bit more flexible, so I can get behind and unclip it. But for now, I'm really happy with this little modification. I'm going to do the other side now, and then you're probably gonna see some kind of b-roll of before and after. Right, so thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little video with this first modification of my M2, and stay tuned for more videos like this one. Please remember to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you soon. Thank you very much. Goodbye.